In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Hitpaw voice changer to Skype call. Well, this is a very easy thing to do. You have to just go to Google and search for Hitpaw. Now here you have to download this. Well, I have already downloaded it, so it's not an issue right now. So now I will just open my Hitpaw. Now, first of all, you have to select your microphone. So here my microphone is just a normal one, right? And from which I'm just speaking on it, and this is your output, so you can just select your headphones or your speakers. Now once you have selected it, you can just continue with the volume. Now you can just click on continue, and right now the voice has been changed. I don't know whether you can listen it not. I'll just click on done. Now it will give me a wide range of audios where I can just use them. For example, I just want the audio of squirrel, right? So I can choose it. I just want audio of a young woman, a lady. I can choose it, right? By the way, you have to buy a subscription just to use all their different kinds of audios. Now once you have turned it on, just minimize it. Now go to the Skype call. Now here click on the three dots, go to the settings. Now just go to the audio and video and make sure that this is turned on, right? This camera and microphone should be turned on. So here it will just show you an option of microphone. Now click on it and select Hitpaw. So once I select on Hitpaw, just close it once again. Now when you will in the call, nobody will able to figure out your voice. You will able to use Hitpaw voice changer, and the voice will comes from whatever the audio you have choose, the sound or the basically you have to choose on whichever, and the other person will able to hear your voice in a different a pitch. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this very useful. Subscribe.